guys, so today I'm going to be creating my prom dress. So it is a theme for my departmental dinner, and I saw this design online and I wanted to recreate it. And I was like, you know, as a self-taught designer, I don't know so many things. I have to like experience it myself and teach myself. So I created my pattern, and I'm not going to be using the color from this inspo. I plan on using a monochrome with green. I'm going to be mixing like 3 colors together, 3 green colors together, and I hope it comes out well. So let's get into it. This was the choice of fabric I chose, and you can see according to the picture, it is a pleated material, and I'm using this green for like the corsets and also this green for the nets. I really hope it goes too well. I really hope it goes well. Like I love mixing colors and I have eyes for colors, but my heart is beating so fast because I'm really scared that it might not go the way I want it to go. That is why I'm not going to be joining the skirts together at the waistline. I'm going to be creating an individual skirt for both of them. In case if they don't go so well, I'm going to take this one out and then use this skirt instead without the net. But I have a feeling that it's going to go too well with if I style it and everything. I have a feeling that it's going to come out really perfect. So I'm really trusting this whole process, so trust it with me. Yeah. And for this design, this is my pattern. It is an A-line skirt, and also this is the pattern. You can see the curve on the side of the corset, and I'm going to be using interfacing obviously, but it's going to be the foam interfacing, the one that makes it have so much volume, not the normal one, the one that makes it have so much volume, because I want to be padded. Yes, like this padded interfacing, I don't know what it's called, but it's an interfacing. So I'm going to be using that to like give it more volume. And also, you know, the corset, the boning, using the boning for like giving it shape. So let's just see how it goes. I'm going to be coming on this journey. At first I decided to create a mock-up, but with the way the light is so disappointing right now, I cannot rely on the lights. So I'm creating a mock-up. It's going to waste a lot of time, because like I said, I'm not depending on the light. There's no light right now, so I'm just trying to use the gem. And yeah, there are timing to these things. So, and the dinner is on Thursday, so I have to get the dress ready for Thursday. So if I were to create a mock-up, I'm just extending my time. I don't know if there will be light tomorrow, so I'm just not going to create a mock-up on this one. And I really hope I'm not going to destroy the dress. That is why I'm going to be creating the whole thing on the lining. So any mistake, I can try to find the lining out to get somewhere else, and then, but I don't think I'm going to have mistakes in these things. I have that much faith in myself and in God. So yeah, let's get into the cotton. room is a big mess, but I progressed. Okay, it took me a long time to get here, but I got here. Like I said, I'm a self-taught fashion designer, so it was not easy getting here at all, but I did my best. And this is the corset. You can see that I'm almost done. It remains for me to take it and then add my grommets, and I'll be done with the corset. But before getting here, it was really a struggle, and for it to be bouncing like this, for it to be thick like this, instead of me adding and interfacing, I added the bedding to make it thicker, so it can like come out like this. And I also added bonings, and created caging around this side, so it can like have a structure around this side. So, and also I won't be working with cheaper lining anymore. I feel like this lining, I made a mistake because I didn't interface it. That was why it was fraying. So I think a little tip here is that when you are creating your outfit, you should add more allowance for the length. Like if your length is like 20, add like 25, because your lining might shrink or it might fray. That's as if you're not adding interfacing. So I was glad that I added more allowance to this lining, because I would have been in shortage if I didn't add a lot of allowance to the length of my corset. And I really like it. Like, oh my goodness, I really outdid myself, because it's my first time making this type of corset. So yeah, you can see that I'm not done yet, and it's really taking shape. I'm not done yet. Now I'm going to take the corset and I'll be right back. On me after fitting in. This is the back of the corset. So now I'm going to be cutting my skirt. Since I'm cutting the net separately, I'm cutting the pleated fabric separately. I'm going to be cutting them now, and soon I'm going to be done with